It is with great pleasure to introduce this guest and to let everybody know that the reports of this man leaving the building have been greatly exaggerated. Hello, Elvis.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here, sir.
Now, one fact that many are unaware of is that the King has been spending most of his time in Canada, but vacations in Brisbane. How many times have you been to Brisbane?
Well, this makes my third visit here.
So, EP, what kind of music are you listening to these days?
I like rock and roll, hillbilly, pop, some classical. I like a different kind of music. I like anything, any kind if it's good, you know.
Now, it turns out that those conspiracy theories were right after all, and that Elvis was avoiding some very, very bad dudes and was forced to seek refuge in a witness protection program. Are you glad the whole Elvis is dead hoax is out of the bag?
Well, as I was telling you earlier, it feels pretty good. It all happened so fast, so I don't know.
Are you sorry that you had to go undercover?
No, I'm not.
What do you think of all the fans calling you Johnny Liar Pants on Fire?
If they want to call me that, I mean, there's nothing I can do about it, so I just have to accept it.
What was behind your decision to make an appearance on this show?
I was anxious to do some live appearances, and I thought it'd be a good opportunity to get in front of the people.
So, EP, what have you been doing to keep yourself occupied during this retirement?
Karate. If you can relax doing this, I don't know. No, I read a lot and go horseback riding and stuff like that.
What do you think about the overall sound of the records being made today?
I think the overall sound has improved today, you know.
Do you think there's more gimmicks in today's music?
There's probably more gimmicks, but I think that the engineers have improved, and I think that the techniques have improved.
Can we all look forward to a new world tour?
It's difficult to tell. I don't know.
Well, Elvis, I'd just like to say that it's great to have you back in the spotlight.
Oh, yeah, it's good to be back, too.
Well, that's a wrap. I don't think they get any bigger than this. Thanks, Elvis.
Thank you very much.